Hey guys, this is Caleb from Martin Electronics, and I'm showing you how I made my logo. So I started off just using Gimp, which is a free program. Put the link in the description. And I was using Paintbrush, so I was just using Shift because it makes all straight lines. And I was making them bubble letters. So what I was doing now was I had it set to like a thin-ish um like thickness for the letter. So I don't know what I was doing there. Now I was trying to use like the lasso tool to like duplicate one M so I could make it look like the other one, but it wasn't really working. So I just kind of didn't. And this is what I'm still trying to do that because I couldn't figure it out. And so I was just not doing it anymore. So I think this is where this is where I started erasing it because I just wanted to make it look better. So I only had one M. Yeah, I was trying to make it. I was still trying to copy and paste the M or something. Um,
I wondered if you thought you could copy that E and then flip it on its side to make it look like an M.
that's what I did.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I tried to do that.
Is that what you ended up going with?
No.
Okay.
I just made the M better.
And how did you get rid of the M right there?
The M, I just erased it.
Oh, is there an eraser tool?
Yeah.
Good to know.
So right now I was just like I just kind of gave up on doing the whole copy and paste thing. So I was just trying to make it look as much as like the E as possible, because I was just the E would be a flipped M on its side. So now I'm starting to color it. But I realized something, that you have to click multiple times to make it like the real, like a good color. So like I was just clicking once thinking it would show up exactly like it, but it it didn't. So in case you want to do that, you have to click a couple times to get the deep color that you want. So now I was just playing around with it, just seeing if I could get it right, and then I realized I have to click multiple times. So now I started to make it into a circuit board. So the M and the E are like electrical wires or something. So now I started doing that, making all the wires and stuff, and now it's turning into a circuit board. And so I don't know, I just kind of made the design, didn't really think too much about it, just kind of went with what I wanted to do. Here I was just making it look like it was split, which I think is pretty neat.
So those wires on the circuit board we call traces.
Yeah, traces, that's what it was. Now I was kind of thinking of what to do, and so I extended it a little bit more, and then started just making more traces, because at this point that's one of the only things I'm gonna be doing from here on out. Just keep making them until a bit later, when I can get to coloring the traces, and then it'll be finished. So what I was trying to do here is I was trying to make the wires go like connect to the M and the E, so it would look like they were actually traces, because I thought that would be neat.
They almost look like pipes in a Super Mario level.
Yeah, I know, it's like or the vents in Among Us, because they go everywhere. I don't know what I did there. I think I just tried to put dots, because I'm holding shift.
So explain what you mean when you hold shift.
So when you hold, if you click and then hold shift, it will make a straight line from wherever your last point you drew from was. So like, say I make a dot on the right side and then hold shift and click on the left side, it'll be a straight line from right to left.
Whereas if you didn't hold
Yeah,
shift,
if you didn't hold shift,
or something.
No, if you didn't hold shift, you'd have to draw it on your own.
Oh, so it might be all crooked like.
Yeah,
oh.
That's why I was holding shift for this. So now I'm about to finish. I just have to make these last couple of things, like this. And there. And the last thing I did was like a circuit card, where I just made a box and then thought of something to do with it. So I drew diagonal lines because it looks neat.
It does look neat.
And now I'm coloring the traces, just finishing up doing that. Okay.